There was a time when every day I felt like I am climbing a mountain and I was lost, not getting my way, where to go and from where to start. And one fine day I started reflecting on myself that what to do, Indu. And as a mother of two daughters, it was not easy for me to took this step for working upon my communication skills and along with that my spoken English learning journey. One fine day was like literally hit me hard. I was shattered from inside. So hello everyone, this is Indu. You are watching Learn English with Indu. So today's video is quite emotional because today I'll share my journey, my English learning journey, how I start my English learning journey, and 6 months ago when I start my this journey, how I was that time, and right now how I am feeling. So today I'll share in this video each and everything, and I hope you guys will also would resonate with me, or you can also start if you are also wondering from where to start, what to start, so you can also start. So let's start my story. So as you know, I did my studies from Hindi medium till 10th standard, and in 11th standard I took medical. Okay, and after that I just went to the college. I did my graduation from BSc Nursing from Army College of Nursing, Jalandhar, Kent. There was the day when I used to felt fish out of water. When I went to my college, the very first day, I was amazed. Like every girl of my college, they were just so confident, and how they were sharing their ideas, their views on any particular topic. So initially I was not that much confident, but yeah, I consider myself quite means social butterfly. So I love to interact with people, with my friends. So I try to make these contacts with them so that I would get so I have learned many things from my friends itself. And when I got married in the year of 2018 to my husband, that time also my husband, he always keeps on nagging me that if you, I always says this thing that I want to be like fluent speaker. So he was telling me that why you are not working upon your grammar, or means basic, learn first the basic, because if your foundation is strong, then you can work upon your move towards your this advanced English and other things. Okay, but I tried many times, but I don't know what happened to me. In between, I was not getting the things, that spark was not there. And when after that, I just conceived my elder one, and then now she is 7 year old, and I do have my younger one also. I have two daughters, and I don't know what happened. 6 months ago, I just went to my daughter's PTM meeting, and that day my husband just told me that it's okay, you are very good at Hindi, so you can converse with Hindi, you could converse in Hindi with her teacher. Okay, and I don't know what happened to me, because I have this immense love for this language. Okay, and I was like, something was bothering me inside my mind, that you have learned a hard way in your life, and at this time of your stage, like, means why you, means it's okay, might be if he is saying something to you, it means you need more preparation for that in public if you want to converse with people. So as a mother, I felt very bad. Means I didn't say that I spoken with her teacher with Hindi. No, I tried my best, and there I felt that where I am falling behind. Earlier I used to take it like criticism, whatever my husband was saying to me. Okay, because every day I used to tell him that I want to be sound like natural speaker and fluent speaker. So my husband was saying that why you are not working upon your things first. And one fine day, that was my wake up call for myself, and my eye opener moment for me. And that day I literally felt hit hard from inside. And I'm telling you, when your loved one or your close ones is giving you such kind of feedback that you need to work upon yourself, so how does it feel? Means initially it was literally, I felt, I cried a lot. I didn't confront my husband, but from that day onwards I started scrolling on YouTube. Okay, like I did whatever I want to have achieve in my life. If I am passionate towards it and if I am determined, so definitely I would find a way. And I consider myself very optimistic person in my life. I want to be a problem solver, not problem creator in my life. Okay. So that day onwards, like I still remember that day when I started working upon my things, and I was just one fine day, I was just scrolling on YouTube itself, and I stumbled upon one video which was, she is my mentor now, and she was like Sunita's English Adventure. And I was literally amazed the way she was speaking. She is living in village settings, and how she was speaking, it was like, for me it was quite amazed, and I got impressed the way she was means narrating or describing each and everything. Okay, so for 10 days I was just continuously scrolling on her reels, and I just explored her YouTube channel, and then I joined their WhatsApp group. Okay, so where I got my two mentors, Neha ma'am and Sunita ma'am. So the very first thing when I joined that WhatsApp group, and I was like, the first day was not at all confident. The very first time when I talked to my first co-learner, so I was not getting the things, like, okay, means I was just speaking, but I was from inside, I could hear my heartbeat into my ears. Okay, because sometime if you are getting blank in between, or you are not getting words, so definitely it's not easy to take your conversation or hold your conversation for the longer time. Okay, but what kept me going every day, that was my every step day. Every day I used to scroll on social media, and from their videos, whatever they were posting on their social media, on their YouTube channel, I try to go for it. What is this word? If I am coming across any conversational video, okay, and I try to learn from it. Okay, how we can answer, and whatever the five perspective of learning English learning journey is there, every day I try to take that one step. Every day I try to kept challenging myself most of the time, that okay, what else you want to learn today, and what is your motive. Okay, so from that day onwards, like whatever means kind of person I want to become, so I came across with very beautiful thought, that be the change you wish to see. And that line was struck a chord with me, I'm telling you, इतना दिल को छू गई थी ना, कि बी द चेंज यू विश टू सी. सो आई स्टार्टेड वर्किंग अपॉन माई सेल्फ every day. Means, see, this is my first diary, and every day I try to jot it down everything, whatever means new word I am coming across, I'm learning. So every day I try to jot it down, new things, and like these phrasal verbs and idioms, and if it is articles, grammar, because I used to have that grammar phobia in my, I don't know what happened to me, but whenever I am going deep into that grammar, so I used to get cold feet earlier. But now I can say this thing, I am proud of myself, that every day I am picking one grammar rule, and I try to work upon that grammar rule, whatever it is there. No need to mug up for that. I try to go with the basic concept first. Okay, and after that, whatever I am doing, initially I was not doing any writing words, no writing work, but at the now, like after 1 month when I start my journey, After 1 month I started writing whatever I am doing every day. I try to at least make a journal for myself, and my to do list, like today what else I have learned, any new idiom, any new phrasal verb, any new word, okay, like any new thing whatever I am learning. So I try to frame sentences. And for example, recently I have learned the word fiasco, okay. So I was like, I try to figure out what is the meaning of that word fiasco. Then I say, okay, it means something is going to mess, some event or something is not going fine or in a good way, okay. So means it is not succeeding, or you are means in public you are feeling embarrassment too. So how I can use this word? So one day my daughter was birthday was there, that cake was not coming on the time, and I said, oh my god, that party literally went fiasco because of that cake didn't come on the time, okay. So like this I try to work upon my personality, and along with that, one very beautiful thing, that is watching English podcast and conversational videos. Every day I try to watch at least for 15 to 20 minutes, and if it is any new word is there, so I try to pick up only one new word, not more than that, and try to go for the synonym of that. Like if I have learned the word fiasco, okay, recently I have learned, so I just went for the synonym also, like what else synonym I can learn from it. And the synonym were like debacle, disaster, and mess, failure, something is not turning good, disrupt. So like this, and along with that I started learning new quotations in English. And now I can say that after 6 months I'm able to think in English, no need to translate in English. I'm sitting at my house and just doing practice with myself most of the time, because earlier I used to think that we need some partners or other partner for practice in English with ourselves. But this there is a complete myth. If you are determined towards your goal, so you can do practice by your own. You don't need anybody. You can describe your own things. For example, if something is there, this is a rubber band, so how would I describe this rubber band? This is red in color, it is flexible, it is stretchable, and I would make this shape and it turns its shape, and like this. If you can describe the little things, and every day if you are recording yourself, try to go for the shadowing practice, listening music, listening videos, listening podcast, and along with that, of course, watching, listening, reading, writing. And nowadays my favorite reading habit, I don't know, but means I just found myself that I have immense love for this reading habit also. Every day I try to, before going to bed, at least I try to read 3 to 4 pages, if I'm not able to read more. Because you know, as a mother, as a woman, as a homemaker, our platter is already overflowing. And nowadays I have add one more thing, like YouTube channel for myself, because I just want to be consistent in this language. And this could be the thing that it keeps motivating me every day, that you have to record yourself, you have to be follow your disciplines. It's okay if your motivation is fading away. Having said that, if you are disciplined for that particular thing, it means you are good to go for everything. So yeah, that's all about today's video. I don't want to create this video for too long for you guys, but in nutshell I just want to say this thing in very simple words, that within 5 months, if I would see the drastic change or tremendous change within me, so you can also do it. This thing, if you are determined, try to take that one step instead of thinking too much. If you are working upon your action, so definitely action always speaks louder than words. And always remember this thing, that it's never too late to mend your days. If I would start after 8 years of my marriage, so why not you guys? So my purpose for creating this video is that if I would motivate one to two women from my side, so that would be good enough for me, because I just want to tell you, every woman whosoever, or not only women, for everyone whosoever want to learn English, or they know that English is very important for everyone. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel. I hope I'll keep on posting videos, and I'll help you out as much as I can do from my side. And yes, yes.